Hey everyone, today we're breaking some big myths about artificial intelligence. You'll hear a statement, see four options, and decide whether it's a myth or a fact. You'll have 10 seconds each time. Let's clear the confusion. Let's start. Question 1. AI can think and feel like humans. Mostly false. AI can process data, but it has no emotions. Question 2. AI will replace all human jobs. Some jobs will change. AI creates new roles while changing old ones. Question 3. AI understands what it is saying. No, it predicts patterns. AI doesn't understand meaning like humans. Question 4. AI can learn by itself without data. False. AI needs data to learn. Question 5. Facial recognition is always accurate. No, accuracy depends on data and conditions. Question 6. AI can be biased. Yes, AI learns bias from human data. Question 7. AI is only used in big tech companies. False. AI is used in phones, apps, and homes. Question 8. Chatbots always give correct answers. Sometimes, AI can still make mistakes. Question 9. AI can create original ideas like humans. No, AI remixes existing data creatively. Question 10. AI will become dangerous on its own. No, humans control it. AI follows human instructions. Question 11. AI needs the internet to work. Sometimes, some AI works offline. Question 12. AI can make decisions without humans. Only small decisions. Big decisions still need humans. Question 13. AI can recognize emotions. Roughly, it guesses emotions from patterns. Question 14. AI can be creative. Limited creativity. Creativity depends on training data. Question 15. AI understands right and wrong. No, ethics must be programmed by humans. Question 16. AI can replace teachers completely. No, AI supports learning, not replaces teachers. Question 17. AI systems never make errors. False. Errors happen due to data limits. Question 18. AI can spy on people by itself. No, humans decide how AI is used. Question 19. AI improves with more data. Yes, better data improves performance. Question 20. AI is the future of technology. Yes, AI will shape future tools and jobs. So, how many myths did you believe before this video? Comment your score and tell us which one surprised you the most. Like the video, subscribe, and stay smart with technology.